right this instant.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Make yourself useful and find my Gary.
Gary? I don't know any Garys.
Gary Whitebutt, are you sure? Tells me he's some sort of a big deal. Comes to visit and you don't even greet her. Nana's child. And what's with those boots? They make you look so skinny. Mother comes to visit and you don't even greet her. Nana's child. And what's with those boots? They make you look so skinny. Visit and you don't even greet her. Nana's child. And what's with those boots? They make you look so skinny. Mother comes to visit and you don't even greet her. Nana's child. And what's with those boots? They make you look so skinny. To visit and you don't even greet her. Nana's child. And what's with those boots? They make you look so skinny. Gary Templeton Whitebutt, you start.